I've been teaching AI for last 6 years. So I'm basically working for last 15 years. Okay, that is a very brief about me. I was into automotive world and all that stuff, right? So currently I'm working with a company called Neurality, where we try to create some generative AI solutions for the insurance space. Okay, so that is a very rough brief about me. All right. So in our today's session and also tomorrow's session, we are going to deal in this way. So today's session is basically targeted for all non-technical people. All right. So effectively, like you are not will be asked to write any code or not trying to speak elaborately on any engineering side. All right. We'll try to dedicate our day in this way, or like plan our day in this way. The first okay, there are a few more people to admit. So the first half of the day, like we will basically try and concentrate and understand what is this AI. So what is this discriminative AI? What is this generative AI? More from a theoretical perspective. Okay. Then we will slowly move on to understand what is this prompting. Okay. And then try to take some time in understanding different kind of prompting techniques. Right. So we have something called zero shot, one shot, few shot, and all that stuff. Okay. Then we will basically move on to a tool called Langflow. Okay, I wanted to also give you a quick hands-on, okay, where in which you don't need to code, simply drag and drop quite a few tools and then try to use it. Okay, and also we'll try to look at some more ready-made tools which are out there, which will be very interesting as a generative AI enthusiast to learn about. All right. So these are some things what I want to cover. I'll also try to touch upon something called what is Google AI Studio, Notebook LM, and then also this Langflow. These are the three things what I wanted to cover. Okay. So before I jump and start into the session, I would like to quickly understand how many of you are already AI practitioners, in the sense like you are trying to use AI day in and day out at your workplace. Do we have anyone? Okay, me. So Karthik, what do you do? I just want to ask this so that I can curate accordingly, what do you do, Karthik? You got I'm into marketing. Okay. So you basically use it for your digital marketing leads or something like that, is it? Lead generation or like advertisement ideas or summarization, creating posters, something like that you are doing, is it? Okay. I use AI for content generation and creation strategy. Yeah, I get it. I get it. Fine. Okay. That is good. So we'll also look into that then. Yes. So anyone else, like rest of you guys, I do not see any responses. Does that mean you are all not using AI? Can I take it like that? I also use AI for this another Karthik. Okay. Side, what is it? AI for side by money earning. Okay. Okay. I understand you use AI for earning money, but I wanted to understand how deep from the tech side. Use for copywriting. Okay. So you are kind of some content creator then. All right. Anyone else? Content creation and ads. Yeah, I get it. AI for making mailers, lessons plan. Okay, so Kalpana Sharma is a teacher then. I understand. Harsha Kumar, use for my work and analysis. Good. So if you can describe a little bit more, that will be very much helpful. I also want to learn agentic AI. That is for tomorrow. Okay. So some technical side and agentic. Yeah, we will try to touch upon little bit on agentic side, like, but I'll not mention them as agents, but I will speak. It will be in a different way by making posters, logos, use